You're ready to update your kitchen with a fresh new style. But a full remodel with new cabinets doesn't fit into your busy schedule, much less your budget. N-Hance can make over your existing cabinets with a new look. Whether you like clean white, a trendy gray, or anything in between, N-Hance can give you a new style, new color, and new functionality. Choose from any of our cabinet door designs, materials, and finishes, and we'll install them on your existing cabinet boxes and refinish everything to a fabulous new color. N-Hance can improve the functionality of your kitchen with a variety of organizational accessories that are custom fit to your cabinets, including pull-out trash and more. The whole process takes significantly less time and money than a traditional kitchen remodel, while still achieving your goal: a beautiful new style and functionality for your cabinets, with money left over for updated backsplash and countertops. N-Hance, wood refinishing done right.